The world is full of confusion. And today we Gen Zs are standing in the middle of two worlds. Imagine standing on the crossroad where every road promises success. One says, play safe. Another says, take risks. One says, follow the map. Another says, create your own path. We Gen Zs today are seeing literally caught in the middle of two things. The first one says social media is a disadvantage. It's risky. It leads to comparison, unnecessary distractions. Every day, we open our phone and see someone succeeding at 19, starting business, startups, someone freelancing, learning coding, skills, jobs, earning money, having stability. And we ask ourselves, what should I do? We see thousands of directions on social media. There are thousands of people who direct us, and the result is confusion. Maybe it's not because we are weak or we lack ambition. We are getting far more advantages than people or any generation before us. We are getting multiple opportunities, multiple choices. And maybe the problem is not in art. The problem is in choosing. We are getting so many options and now we have to learn how to choose. If I choose the wrong career, what happens if I choose a wrong decision, a wrong path? What if I fail? What if I fall behind? What if people around me go ahead? So it's not about our ambitions or our goals. It's about how we make decisions, how we choose, we make our choices. And that is what matters in today's era. So if you are a Gen Z and watching this video, you are not alone feeling this emptiness, this confusion. And maybe I think I should say that feeling confusion is the most common feeling in this generation. The noise of this world is becoming more and more louder, and it will never stop, it will never slow down. In this noisy world, what we have to find is clarity, and clarity doesn't come from thousands of opinions. It comes from within. We have to understand ourselves before committing anything or before listening to anyone. Because there are so many people, they have thousands of beliefs and opinions. You cannot stand for all them. And maybe every trend is not for you. Every opportunity is not meant for you. Every growth is not meant for you. And you know what? Growth is not doing everything. Growth is doing the right things consistently, because consistency multiplies and it is what going to benefit you later. So you don't have to watch someone's highlighted reel and start comparing your raw to someone's edited. What you have to do, my Gen Z friends, is we have to know ourselves. We have to understand ourselves. Because if we'll not understand ourselves, we'll go blindly. And you know that going blindly is very much risky. Any time, at any moment, the accident could take place. So you don't have to be blind. Understand yourself, find clarity, and start doing things. Start trying. Find your interest. Find what is meant for you, and you can explore thousands of interests, because this is maybe this era is not a disadvantage, it is advantage, and we have to use it. Hope this would help you, this would have helped you, because I know that this is truly a confusing thing which I am seeing around me also. So I really wanted to confess this to all my Gen Z friends, and to tell you that it's very, very, very normal to feel confusion, to feel stuck, to feel like in the middle of two ways. So the thing is, I would like to tell once again, find clarity, and clarity will be found within you.